welcome back to Anna's Goodies. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how to cook eggs like an Eggspert. Get it? Because eggs is our team and Eggspert instead of expert. Okay. On to the fancy intro. Eggs are quick, cheap, and easy. And you probably already have some in the fridge. So here are 3 easy ways to cook eggs perfectly every time. All you really need is a non-stick skillet, a medium-sized bowl, a spatula, some salt and pepper, a whisk or a fork, some butter, and of course, eggs! First up, scrambled eggs. Now there's a lot of different ways to make these, but this is just how I like to make them. Start by getting your 3 eggs and cracking them into a bowl. Now we like to use a bowl because it's very easy to get out the eggshells. Now with our whisk, let's mix, mix, mix. Now that I'm done mixing it well, stove time! Always get an adult's permission and supervision when using hot or sharp objects. In a pan on low heat, add about half a tablespoon of butter. Wait for the butter to completely melt. You can even use a spatula to spread the butter all over the pan to help the butter melt. Once your butter is nice and melted like so, you can carefully pour in your egg mixture. But be careful, the pan is hot. Now wait a little bit so that your eggs can set. And once you see it start to set on the sides of the pan, take your spatula and slowly push the egg all around the pan. The key to cooking eggs is slow and steady, so take your time with this. When your eggs are almost done cooking, turn off the heat and let it finish cooking in the pan. Finally, season it with some salt and pepper and you're done! You're left with this beautiful and delicious dish. Next up, we have fried eggs. In a pan on medium heat, add a little bit of butter and use the spatula to spread the butter all around. Once the butter has melted, carefully crack your egg on the pan. If you're having trouble with this, first crack it into a bowl and add some salt and pepper. In less than a minute, the outer edges will become opaque. This is your cue to cover and lower the heat. Wait 4 minutes and you have perfect eggs. And that's it. Remember that the longer you cook the eggs, the harder the yolk will be. Finally, we have over easy eggs. Start with the butter like before and crack your egg. For over easy eggs, you don't have to be so careful when cracking the egg, so it doesn't have to be perfect. When you see the outer edges of the egg start to set, flip the egg and let it cook for about a minute on this side. While it's still warm, carefully transfer the egg onto a plate. In the end, you can season it with some salt and pepper, and that's it! You're done! Okay everyone, I'm back, and this brings us to the end of today's video. Now, honestly, my favorite egg for today was probably the scrambled eggs, just because it was beautiful, delicious, and the easiest to make. Now, before I leave, I just wanted to wish you all a blessed Thanksgiving, and stay safe, spend time with your family, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Happy Thanksgiving! Bye! Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving! Stay safe and spend time with your family! Bye.